Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Pionex. If you're looking for a way to buy a Bitcoin on Pionex, then follow these steps. You can simply open up a web browser and go to the pionex.com website, or simply open up your Pionex application and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a new account. Also make sure to verify your account and ensure you have sufficient balance or you've deposited funds into your account. Once you've done all of that, simply go and tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner from the main homepage of Pionex. From the list displayed inside the page, simply go ahead and tap on Buy Crypto. Select one of the methods you'd like to purchase your crypto. You can use the Express or SEPA method. Simply go ahead and tap on the option and you'll be taken to this page from where you can purchase BTC. Under You Will Receive, tap on the drop down and select BTC. You'll then need to go ahead and enter the amount you'd like to spend and select the currency you'd like to spend, and then you'll be able to see the value of Bitcoin you'll be getting right on the next tab. Right under, select the payment method you'd like to purchase and tap the Buy button. After you are done entering all of the information, tap on Buy at the top. And that is how you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Pionex. But remember to have your account verified, since you won't be able to make any kind of a transaction with an unverified account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.